Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Valorant VAN 293 connection error, which can appear when you start the game or even while you're playing a match. Let's jump right into the solutions. Step 1. If you have Docker installed on your PC, try removing it completely. Docker can sometimes interfere with Riot Vanguard and trigger the VAN 293 error. Also, if you're using any VPN applications like Radmin VPN or similar network tools, disable them or uninstall them temporarily. After uninstalling Docker or disabling your VPN, restart your computer and try opening Valorant again. In many cases, this simple fix can resolve the issue. However, if you're still seeing the VAN 293 error, continue with the next method. Step 2. Open your browser and download Cloudflare Warp for your operating system, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Install the application and open it. Once Cloudflare Warp is running, switch the mode to Traffic plus DNS and click the Connect button. Wait until the connection is active. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type services.msc, and hit Enter. This will open the Windows Services menu. Scroll down and look for the VGC service. Double-click it to open its properties. Change the startup type to automatic. If the service status shows as stopped, click Start and wait a few moments until it starts running. After that, click Apply, then OK, and close the services window. Keep Cloudflare Warp connected, open the Riot client, and launch Valorant again. The VAN 293 connection error should now be fixed, and you should be able to connect to the game normally. That's all for today's guide. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.